you can click onto the trends and then you go onto the hashtags, and here you can see that what hashtags are trending, right? And here you can click onto the singers that are trending, and you can also click onto the breakout, and then you can see the graphs, and then by further clicking the see analytics you can go on to the extra details of this. I think that this is a great information for anyone who wants to make videos on TikTok. So I would highly recommend that you go on and search for this TikTok Creative Center, and then in the inspiration tab check out all these especially keyword insights in top product, and in the trending click on do check out the hashtags, and also you can check out the trending videos and trending creators also. Let's say if I click on to the trending videos, so since I have selected United States, so it is showing me the videos that are trending in the last 7 days. So these are the videos that are trending there. Usually I don't ask for the like, but somehow the YouTube algorithm is such that if you don't have likes on your videos, it will not get traction. Theory or my assessment is that for every like, probably YouTube gives you 10 more views. So you can join me in this experiment. Just give it a like, and then later on come back to the video and see that whether my views are 10 times likes on my videos on this video or not.